Product photography doesn't have to be complicated as we think it. With DoMyShoot, all you need is a perfect setup for your product to be photographed with natural lighting and a tripod setup to ensure you get crisp images. So just your smartphone with a tripod and good natural light source can set you the perfect product shots. When selling online, ensure you cover all the angles to get your product to stand out. Besides standard angles like front, side, and 45, it's good also to get the back, zoom, and top shots. The more images your listings have, the easier it becomes to convert a browser to a buyer. The best part of using DoMyShoot is that you do not have to worry about making any edits. Our AI plus human QC workflow ensures you get back ready-to-use, professional-grade photos for e-commerce. So no more worrying about exposures, colors, and crops. Leave the heavy lifting to us. If you're wondering how you can create product photos with lifestyle backgrounds, DoMyShoot has got you covered there too. With an extensive library of product-centric backgrounds, all you do is pick the perfect lifestyle background for your product, and we ensure you get back a photorealistic image. So no more props and heavy-duty setups. All you need is your product and a simple setup to create images that sell everywhere. Simplify your product photography with DoMyShoot.